Hello, my name is Io, and today I'm going to talk to you about some triangles. So, first is how to make a scalene and acute triangle. So, this is pretty simple, well, kind of simple. The only thing you have to make sure you do is make sure that the angles are less than 90 degrees and none of the sides of the triangle are the same length. So, here's what I did. And to me, this looks like none of the sides are the same length, and I believe none of the none of them none of them are 90 degrees or have 90-degree slots here. Okay, next. Can you make a right and equilateral triangle? The answer to that is no. Why? Well, over here we have a right triangle. Over here, we have an equilateral triangle. And as you can see, if we did a triangle like this, it wouldn't be right or equilateral. Because remember, a right triangle has to have a right one right degree, and a equilateral triangle, all of its sides are the same length. And here only two are the same length, and it has no right angle. So that can't be right at all. This is a isosceles right triangle. It has two sides that are the same length and a right angle, but oops, but it is not equilateral because if it was equilateral, it would have the same sides. So this triangle right here is the closest you can get to a right and equilateral triangle. Can you make a obtuse and equilateral triangle? The answer to that is also no. Okay, so this is an obtuse triangle, and again, the equilateral triangle. So the obtuse has these two, I'm just going to say, I guess, arms of the triangle, are the same length, and then there's one big line connecting them. Like we said before, the equilateral triangle, all of the lines are the same size. And you can't make these triangles go together. It's just not possible. Now, you could make the obtuse into an equilateral triangle. You kind of have to shrink it this way and then up a little. Let me get the pointer. You have to shrink it this way and up. But then it wouldn't be an obtuse triangle anymore. And you can make this into an obtuse triangle, but you would have to point make it point down and spread it out a little bit, but then it wouldn't be an equilateral triangle. So there is, like I said before, there is no possible way that you can make an obtuse and equilateral triangle because they, in order for it to be an obtuse, it has to have one long, I guess, arm, and an equilateral triangle has no long arms. And that's it. Thanks for watching.